Chocolate bark is hands down the easiest dessert to make for any holiday. Hi everyone, I'm Rachael Teufel and happy Halloween. This is a perfect project to do with the kids and can match any theme you want. One of the things I love to do with my family is go to the pumpkin patch. So I wanted to create a dessert that just makes me smile when I see it. I've got two colors here, regular milk chocolate and green candy melts. I'm going to create the colors of a pumpkin field. So first, I just want to start by pouring my chocolate, and then you just want to use a spatula to spread it around to an even thickness. Now, if you have excess chocolate from a project, this is a great way to use up chocolate. It doesn't even have to be a lot, even a little bit will work. Now we're just going to drizzle in our second color and then use a skewer to gently swirl them together. When I think of the pumpkin patch, not only do I visualize the colors, but there's lots of texture too. So I decided to incorporate toasted coconut to represent the hay and other grass-like textures into the field. Who doesn't love chocolate and coconut together? The final touches are some leaves and pumpkin candies. Let it cool and the perfect fall dessert is ready for your party. I love this ghost design because it elevates a simplistic dessert like chocolate bark into something that looks far more impressive, and it's so easy and fun to do. Now I've got white and purple candy melts here, and the first thing I'm going to do is spread the purple evenly onto the parchment cookie sheet. Next, I'm going to drop dollops of white candy melts using a spoon. Remember, the amount of chocolate will determine the size of each ghost. I'll use a skewer to create a tail and two arms. You don't want to dig too deep, and you need to clean the skewer each time. Add black sprinkles and sugar to the purple areas, and then add black candy pearls for eyes. Now, once the bark begins to cool, you melt a small amount of black candy melts in a piping bag and add a spooky mouth to each ghost. Let it cool, break it into pieces, and share. Happy Halloween.